Here's 5 sales lessons I know at 71. I wish I knew at 21. Part 1. 1. Misleading a customer is the same as lying, and not mentioning something that would impact their purchase is just as bad. Number 2. If you push your customer into a sale, it's like leading a horse to water and making them drink. They'll throw up all over you. Number 3. You cannot be one kind of person and another kind of salesperson and have a truly successful sales career. Number 4. There really are some customers you do not want. And number 5. People can actually see your smile through the phone. That's true. I've learned a lot of sales lessons in 5 decades of selling. Learned from my experience, my mistakes, and closed more sales. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. With just a couple of clicks, you could be helping thousands of people. And when you do subscribe and ring the notification bell, you'll be notified of any future sales training videos I do come out with. Thanks.